Hello and welcome everyone to our channel Psychology. If you are a psychology student, this video is for you. If you are a parent whose student is a psychology student, this video is for you again. Don't skip this video in between. Watch till the end because we will be talking about something very, very serious connected to students and their future. If you are a parent again, you need to watch this till the end. Don't skip. Hello, I am Dinesh Seni, founder and CEO at Psychology Wellness Private Limited. Today, we will be going to discuss something very, very important which is going on with this pandemic situation. Usually, we are not talking about that thing in public, although we know that it is going on with us. With the crisis of so many things in this pandemic, including oxygen, including death rates, politics, lockdown, rescheduling of examination, cancellation of examination, there is still a major thing which is going on in our society that we should know about, that really we should know about. I know you cannot still guess even after knowing it. It is the learning crisis. Yes, my dear friends, it is the learning crisis. What exactly it is, we will be learning in this video. So do watch this till the end. Learning crisis. Learning crisis is an important issue which we need to discuss because it is an upcoming problem connected with mass unemployment. आइए जानते हैं इस learning crisis के बारे में. Learning crisis is a situation when you are connected to an institution for a degree, diploma, or even for passing a standard. For example, 11th to 12th, or maybe you are in your graduation, BA, BSc, etc. Or maybe you are in your master degree, that is MA, MSc, etc. Although you are connected to an institution, still you are not getting an adequate amount of learning. You are not getting adequate amount of learning which you should get. Now, because of this pandemic situation, when you are not allowed to go out, when you are not attending and sometimes attending the classes online by your institution, and when you are skipping your exams due to postponing of exams or cancellation of exams, sometimes you are lacking a part, that is learning. You are seriously lacking learning. It is true and it is fact, but 90% of population is not getting learned what they are supposed to learn. They are only getting their degrees and they are just only passing their standards, due to which we are facing a major issue, due to which we are facing and we will be facing a learning crisis. Do you know what that exactly is? What it will result in? It will result in mass unemployment eventually. Now the question is how it is possible that I am connecting learning crisis to mass unemployment. Let us understand, when the student is passing their degrees without learning and without getting an adequate amount of knowledge, the student will eventually get into an employment phase, an unemployment phase. After passing the degree, as the student concepts are not cleared, as the basics are not clear, as the student cannot perform well in their own subject, when it comes to the practical knowledge, first of all, it sounds a little weird. I know that it sounds a little weird somehow. You can see that your student or you as a student are attending online classes provided by the respective institutions. But let me ask you one thing. Are you getting education and educate amount of education learning from their educational institution? Are you getting adequate amount of exposure from there? Now remember the time when your child or you as a student used to attend coaching classes, especially to understand the concepts which are not cleared when you are attending the regular classes by your institution, by your own institution. Then how it may be possible when you are connected with your institution online? Things are changing with the time. Now you are attending online classes by your own institution, but you are not getting adequate amount of learning sometimes, and knowledge you should get the knowledge, whereas that is so much important, whereas you are passing your degrees and getting your standards without even giving the exams. Now let us consider the students of open universities and open schools. Are they getting adequate amount of knowledge and learning which they should get from their study center, regional center? Are they learning seriously according to their learning patterns and modules designed by their institution and described by their institution? No. The answer is no. That is a sad truth. That is a fact which is going on currently in our society. This was all about learning crisis, which will be causing a mass unemployment. Now let us talk about mass unemployment, why it will come and why it is connected with learning crisis. When a student is getting their degree by different means, you can understand better what I really mean from different means. As student, you can understand better. I am right. So moreover, students are giving online examinations and you can understand better. Sometimes they are even not even appearing in their examinations due to postponing or cancellations. Students are getting upgraded their degrees, they are passing their degrees without even performing in their examinations. And in that case, they are not getting adequate amount of knowledge. They are not getting adequate amount of learning they should have. And in that case, they will be facing an unemployment. I am sorry to tell this, but this is a sad fact that the student with their degrees and lesser amount of knowledge and learning are left behind and are forced to be unemployment. And in that case, they have to take an employment which is not adequate for them according to their degrees. That is the sad fact. They are forced to do a job which is not supposed to be connected with their degrees. I have seen psychology students who are completing their degrees, who have been completing their degrees, but working somewhere totally different from their own field of psychology. So this is because of the learning crisis we are facing and we will be facing in future. I have seen students who have passed their degree in clinical psychology, maybe in counseling psychology, maybe in some other applied psychology, maybe in organizational psychology, and they are doing a job somewhere in a different area, totally in a different area. That is a sad part, and that is because you are not getting an adequate amount of knowledge and learning which you should get as a student as of now. When as of now you have to focus on your learnings, If you are focused on your learnings, then you can have a job of your choice according to your degree. That is the fact. Let us discuss something more about this, and let us discuss about the solutions which we are providing and which we can give to you. Let's talk about solutions because every problem is having a solution. But before that, you should agree that there is a problem. That it is. Let's talk about solutions. Every problem have a solution. But first, let me tell you that you should agree that there is a problem. If you agree that there is a problem, there are ample amount of solutions you can find out. Let us talk about few of the solutions available. आइए समस्या है तो समाधान भी है समाधान के बारे में बात करते हैं. Let's talk about solutions. Students should connect more to educational channels. That is must. Parents should focus that their children are not only attending their online classes regularly on time but also giving time and importance to educational webinars, workshops that are conducting online nowadays by reputed organization, of course. One of the organization which is working very hard to spread mental health awareness in society, and it is also spreading psychoeducation in society. The name of the organization is Psychology Wellness Private Limited. We understand the learning crisis more, and hence we have special things in our plan. Students को unemployed नहीं होना चाहिए even after getting their degrees. That is our focus. We make sure that the students are learning like a pro, from a pro to be a pro. I would like to tell you that psychology organizes different events including webinars, seminars, practical workshops, from where you can learn ample amount of things, from where you can learn practical skills, from where you can get knowledge which will help you in your future. One of the example of webinar that is free of cost is linked in the description below in this video, and even above you can watch somewhere link about this video. How we can make learning practical, that would be an example in particular video. Well, most of our classes we conduct online through webinars are totally free of cost for you, and the workshops and internship programs we conduct on regular basis are totally on a very nominal price. Now, looking into this matter of learning crisis, we have a special plan for you. We have introduced online learning classes for psychology students. The classes are divided according to your own major subject. If you are in 11th, 12th standards, if you are 11th, 12th standard student having psychology as your subject, then you can join us. If you are a BA, BSc student with psychology as a subject, again you can join us. If you are a master degree student and you have psychology, especially MSc or MAPC, MSc or MA in psychology, then you can also join us. We have separate batches for all three. Not only this, हमारे पास आपके लिए कुछ स्पेशल भी है जो मास्टर डिग्री में है, who are preparing for UGC NET JRF, who are preparing for MPhil clinical psychology. Then this year you can prepare with us. हम आपकी प्रिपरेशन को प्रो लेवल तक पहुंचाने का वादा करते हैं. अगर आप मास्टर डिग्री स्टूडेंट हैं, if you are a master degree student and you are planning to give entrance exam of MPhil clinical psychology in a reputed RCI institution, then also you can join our classes, special classes for MPhil clinical psychology. If you want special learning tuition classes, then also you can join our organization for that. Most of the classes are totally online and according to the feasibility of your time. Will be conducted online, as I said, on a free platform, that would be Google Meet or a special app used by us. Let us talk more about this particularly and understand how we can find out more solutions. Let me tell you more about the special classes. आइए मैं आपको इन special classes के बारे में और बता दूँ. The classes will be conducted online regularly from Monday to Friday. We have the most experienced faculty to train you and to make you learn like a pro. We make sure that you are covering each and every aspect of topic from the basics to the advanced level. We will be also sharing a special drive link to all the students, which will consist of ample amount of materials including PPT and PDFs of the topics, which are specially designed for you. Kindly note that too, and made for you. The classes will be having the practical exposure by giving you practical examples and connecting you to the practical situations where you can learn a lot of things which can enhance your knowledge and skills. आपकी knowledge और skills को हम improve करना जानते हैं और professionally हम इसे करेंगे भी. I have attached the link in the description. You can click on the link and to know more about our online classes, which will benefit you and to make you learn like a pro. If you have any doubt left, if you still have any kind of doubt left, you can contact on our board line number popping on the screen as well as mentioned in the description below, in this video description below. You can download the brochure and have a look how exactly we work and how exactly we will be providing you the classes and how exactly that will benefit you. Let me give you a brief introduction about our organization first. Established in February 2019, we are Psychology Wellness Private Limited, an ISO accredited, MSME certified, Startup India recognized and Government of India under Ministry of Corporate Affairs incorporated organization, working hard to spread mental health awareness and psycho-education in society so that we can remove the stigma connected to the mental health, because we believe that the only way to remove the stigma connected to the mental health is by awareness. Remember, in this pandemic, doing a good thing can give you a lot of blessings. You can also share this video to all the psychology groups, WhatsApp groups as well, and psychology channels also. You can also share it to the psychology students, the parents and the students who are studying psychology in Open University. They can bless you because they will be learning something because of you, because you have shared something informative, because you are updated and you are aware of upcoming learning crisis and mass unemployment which is associated with the learning crisis. You are updated, you shared the video, and you will definitely get a lot of blessings when they will learn like a pro connecting with us. Like the video and share the video if you like the message. Also subscribe to our channel because we will be providing you the best knowledgeable videos and webinars totally for free of cost. Of course, certifications are also provided in few of our webinars. You can attend them live and opt for the certification. And you can connect with our channel by subscribing to get all the updates regularly connected to the psychology as subject. For those who are watching this online, will also get 5% of special discount when they register using the promo code popping somewhere here. on the screen and also mentioned in the description below of this video. Do join our psychology classes so that you can learn like a pro. From a pro to be a pro. Thank you everyone. My name is Dinesh and thank you for watching this video till the end. Take care of yourself. Sanitize your hand on time. Wear a face mask and when you go out especially. Also don't forget to maintain social distance. That is must in this COVID-19 situation. Thank you everyone for joining and thank you everyone for watching this video till the end again. Thank you everyone for liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel. क्या आप एक साइकोलॉजी स्टूडेंट हैं? आप अपनी ग्रेजुएशन 11th 12th या फिर मास्टर डिग्री कर रहे हैं साइकोलॉजी से, या फिर आप पीएचडी कर रहे हैं साइकोलॉजी से, आप एक रिसर्च स्कॉलर हैं, या आप कर रहे हैं अपनी एमफिल इन साइकोलॉजी, क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी, तो आप हमारे से कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं और हमारे पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, जहां पे आपको मिलेगी बहुत सारी ढेरों इंफॉर्मेशन साइकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड और नए अपडेट्स, साथ ही नई नोटिफिकेशंस और हर चीज के बारे में आपको जानकारी मिलती रहेगी। हमारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करने के लिए लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में हमने डाल दिया है, उसको खोलें और उसको ज्वाइन करें। साथ ही ये बात भी याद रखें कि हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलें, ताकि कोई भी नई नोटिफिकेशन आपसे छूट ना जाए, रह ना जाए। साथ में मैं आपको बता दूं, हमारे फेसबुक पेज को लाइक करना ना भूलें, इंस्टाग्राम पे हमें फॉलो करना ना भूलें, क्योंकि इंस्टाग्राम पे हम पोस्ट करते हैं डेली रेगुलर टिप्स और ट्रिक्स आपके लिए। साइकोलॉजी से रिलेटेड सारे अपडेट्स भी इंस्टाग्राम पे सबसे पहले शेयर होते हैं, तो आप इंस्टाग्राम पे ज़रूर हमें फॉलो करें और फेसबुक पे आपको लाइक करना है। साथ ही विजिट करें हमारी वेबसाइट, बहुत ही आसान वेबसाइट है instapsychology.com। इंस्टाग्राम तो आप सभी लोग चलाते होंगे, तो हमने वेबसाइट का नाम भी instapsychology.com रख दिया है, www.instapsychology.com। इसे भूलिएगा नहीं, instapsychology.com। अगर आप एक साइकोलॉजी स्टूडेंट हैं तो आप जरूर कनेक्ट हों किसके साथ, instapsychology.com। और ये जरूर याद रखें, साइकोलॉजी अब है साइकोलॉजी। तो साइकोलॉजी के साथ जुड़ने के लिए और हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करने के लिए, हमारे पास रेगुलर वीडियोस को देखने के लिए, कमेंट करने के लिए, सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए, शेयर करने के लिए, हमें इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करने के लिए आपका तहे दिल से धन्यवाद।